Alright, so I'm going to do a thunderstorm thingy. I'll try to make it as like short as possible, but it's morning at 7, so it's an hour past their normal time. Isn't that so lovely to just watch the news in the morning and drink some Starbucks? Don't know about drinking Starbucks. Cocomelon, another one. Cocomelon. I'm going to use this channel for Cocomelon. Sorry for the background noise if it shows. It's just my sister and daughter watching the movie. Put your bottle up here. Meanwhile, I can get out my sloth's bottle. Be a thunderstorm and a blizzard. This is not going to be a fun day. What about the kids? The news, I'm actually more concerned about the house and the, you know what, I don't think I should say that. It might drive you more insane. For legal reasons, that was a joke. Man, these blankets are hot. I'm going to get out of them. Oh, it was just the pajamas that was throwing me off. Never mind. Meanwhile, the thunderstorm happens. It's at night. By the way, this thunderstorm happening. And blizzard, by the way. All the lights go out. And the electricity goes out. I'll put you to bed. Look, I'll read you guys a bedtime story, okay? Okay. Just get ready and tucked in for bed, okay? Okay, sissy. Once upon a time, there's one happy onion. He was exploring all around with his friends and made him a really happy that he could explore and express himself with his friends. Most of the time, his friends were caught up in a sticky situation. Most of them made them cry. Get it? It was made them cry because he's a little onion. This is making me cry just because it's an onion and it's a thunderstorm. I'm not going to even watch the rest of it. Finally, they're asleep. But, man, finally they're asleep. But man, this is a thunderstorm. They must have been so scared. Mom, the kids are really scared, and I just read them bedtime stories so they could go to bed. Okay, well, I have to get a quick Starbucks in my life. I'm gonna get a quick Starbucks in my life. Sorry, but I just need a little bit of Starbucks. This is a 1-pump caramel peach mocha latte espresso cappuccino macchiato exploration. Sam, Cat in the Hat, Chase and the Rat. Sam, I am. No, I am. Latte cup of espresso. Okay, so I was just letting you know that. Going to get to bed. I'm more concerned about you than the kids now. Whatever. I'm going to go to bed now. It's so funny. So that's it for today, guys. Just want to show you crazy thunderstorm. Well, that's it. Goodbye, guys.